are you?
Good to see your friend's style. How are you?
Oh, challenging. Do
Mhm.
you know what is the best practice? How often we should go in lives?
There is no rules that you can't go live. If you have some really nice inspiration, got some downloads, you can always go live. 2 minutes live. The more variation, more uniqueness, you will get more reach and you will get more engagement.
Yeah, so bitchy. How can I explain a relationship in 30
Okay.
seconds?
So you don't need to give them the full explanation. That's who is overdoing, overgiving.
You are right again. It's so annoying. But yes, you're right. I understand. I've got your point now.
Who also have
Friday
that.
night, boom, 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 la la la. Saturday, go dancing, la la la. And then Sunday, oh shit, Monday is back.
Hope that makes sense.
Thank you. Mwah. A big kiss, of course, from Romania to Nepal. Mwah.
This is Imran, a Tech Wizard. I'm going to showcase the journey of a relationship coach, how she is taking her business online and what are the struggles she is having and how she is overcoming those. Hope you guys will enjoy the process and have some fun. Also, in the meantime, you'll learn some great techniques how to take your coaching business online. So stay tuned and keep watching.
Hello, Imran. Today I'm Frenchy, as you can see. How are you?
I'm good. Good to see your friend's style. How are you? How is everything?
Oh, challenging. You know, I was going on live on TikTok yesterday and I had some interesting experience. Some guys who were like very rude and then I blocked them. But then also
Mhm.
some good people who are very happy about the live. So I would have some questions with these lives because I was not going on this TikTok live since 1 month and I felt a bit guilty for that. Do
Mhm.
you know what is the best practice? How often we should go in lives? Maybe a
Okay.
couple of times per week, maybe. And how long should be the lives? My live was like 45 minutes, but I have the
Okay.
feeling if it's too long, it's like you make the audience boring. So what do
Okay.
you?
Okay. First of all, I'll talk about the frequency. How often? Minimum once per week. This is has to be like thumbs rule. You have to go live every week. This is one. Second, there is no rules that you can't go live more than once. If you have some really nice inspiration, got some downloads, you can always go live. And if you have some serious burning question from your audience, maybe from your other post, maybe your other short video, people can ask something like, hey, Victoria, what to do that? May I know what is your advice? Then you can go for quick short live. Let's say instead of creating a video for 2 minutes, you can go for 2 minutes live from TikTok or your Instagram or your Facebook. That's how you are mixing. And all social media love variations. The more variation, more uniqueness, you will get more reach and you will get more engagement. This is one.
So what you are saying, it's more easy and efficient to make short lives.
Yes, because that will be very good and let's say relevant to the core technique of TikTok or whatever Reels platform, many platform is built for short, useful, and beneficial for people.
Okay. When we talk about
Yeah.
short, how many minutes? 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. For me, even 10 minutes is short, you know.
Okay.
Mm.
Better to keep it around 30 seconds is the best. People have the
No,
attention
no. In
span.
30 seconds, you cannot say anything.
Okay, that's your thinking. That many people have video even 20 seconds, but the message is delivered. So you need to find out how you can create shorter and more sexy shorts. So this is
Yeah, these are Instagram reels shorts, you know. They just make it now like.
everywhere, everywhere. Doesn't mean that's the real
I know
part.
this got Imran to make my message in 1 minute. How should I do that?
When you are thinking that okay, it's hard to make shorter video, it means you are making so many blah 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 in your video that's it's getting longer. It to be niched down and short it down. Only the message, only the point, get. So
Yeah, so bitchy. It's
Yeah.
not so easy, and I'm not doing just blah blah blah. Relationship is a very vast topic. How can I explain a relationship in 30
Okay.
seconds?
Okay. So now you are mixing. Okay. Now you are mixing. I said those short messages, short video will be the response answer to your audience person. So let's say somebody asks like, oh, I'm struggling with that, what I should do. So you don't need to give them the full explanation. That's who is overdoing, overgiving. Yeah. So that's how you are missing your chance to convert them to your paying client. So you need to be a bit tricky to giving the answer. They ask like, okay, Imran, let's say if somebody asks like, hey Imran, where I can get domain, I'll just tell them you can get domain from Namecheap or GoDaddy, but I'll not tell what domain is best because then what is happening? I'm giving lots of my
Yes,
energy.
I get it. You are right. Again, it's so annoying, but yes, you're right. I understand. I got your point now. Yes,
Yeah,
just answer direct to what they ask and not give them too much detail. Just on the point,
yes,
exactly what they ask. And if they want more details, maybe a calendar links or something.
yes. Now it's making sense to you. I'm happy.
Yes, yes, it makes sense. But the question is if I send calendar links, I said, okay, for details, you can book a free call or some paid call.
Better to go for free because that will be 20 seconds. Make it 20 minutes clarity call or 15 minutes clarity call free. But if they want to have something longer, of course you can charge your fee. Okay, I charge that. It's easy.
Yeah, and we already made an episode in which if I had problematic, you said strong cookies who wanted to overstretch my time, then
Yeah.
I have to be specific with boundaries. Yeah, sometimes I have
Yeah,
the fear with this clarity call, because you never know the person's is like want to squeeze you for free.
yeah. So in the very first few minutes of the clarity call, you will explain what they are going to receive and what they can expect to receive. So it's easy.
Yes, and also to keep the timing. I think it's also very important.
Yeah, that's it. So if you have any other question, you can always message me. You have my WhatsApp, you have my Facebook, you have my Messenger, yeah, my email.
Wait. I still want like an overview. So how many times I can go live per week?
Minimum once, and depending on the
Maximum.
situation, maximum you can go live every day. It's your
Mm.
demand of your audience. If your audience is loving it, giving their question, showing up on your live, it's good. Keep doing. But let's if you see like okay, not many people are showing, and do it for a week. See every day you go live and see when people are showing up more, which got the most number of interaction engagement. Just do that on a specific time of the day, and
Yeah,
people.
I wanted to say different times, maybe in the afternoon when people come back from work, so they have
Yeah,
more time to watch it.
yeah.
I think it's important. And in the weekends also can be.
Yeah, but this is another mistake. People think like in the weekend people will be waiting for watching your video. That's the wrong thing. People have their personal life, so they'll not watch your live. So make something in between.
Yeah, what I saw from my personal experience, usually during the week they watch in the evening time, and in the
Yeah.
weekend they watch more on Sunday.
Yes, because Friday night there is Saturday night, so people also have
Friday
their
night, boom,
personal.
boom, boom, la, la, la. Saturday, go dancing, la, la, la. And then Sunday, oh shit, Monday is back to work. Let's watch something.
Yes, something. Yeah, hope that makes sense. And if you have any other question, you can always ask.
Thank you, Imran. I think this live is clear now for me. And I feel guilty, because I didn't go on TikTok live since 1 month. And I don't know why I postponed it. I
It's
had
just
other priorities.
don't beat yourself. It just happened. From now on, you will not make that mistake. You'll go live regularly.
Exactly, and I will answer short to that question. I already did that, and it's very efficient. Many people like it, and I use them as video for the other platforms so that I have
Mhm.
content daily.
Okay, cool. I'm so happy. Have an awesome day.
Thank you. Mwah. A big kiss, of course, from Romania to Nepal. Mwah.
Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And if you love to share your experience and share your opinion and how you feel it, please comment below. And if you feel like some of your friends may get benefit from this video, feel free to tag. And yeah, keep in touch and We'll bring so much good content like this, and have an awesome day. Bye.